Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is Newton's-Raphson method. So friends, what is Newton-Raphson method? Okay, let's start. So let x0 be the approximate root. Let x0 be the approximate be the approximate root root of fx0 and x1 is equal to x0 plus h. Be the correct root. Be the correct root. Then fx1 equals to 0. Then fx0 plus h equals to 0. So friends, by the expanding the above equation using Taylor's theorem. So Taylor's theorem, fx0 plus h dash x0 equals plus dot up to infinity is equal to 0. Higher order is neglected. So we get h is equal to minus fx0 divided by f dash x0. So friends, this is the iterative process, iterative formula. So what we get, therefore xn plus 1 means x1 is equal to x0 minus f x0 divided by f dash x0. Okay, so this is called Newton-Raphson formula. So Newton iterative formula to find bth root or nth bth root, different. Okay, and there is also a geometrical interpretations. Okay, no problem, but I want to discuss only Newton's Raphson method. Okay, so I hope I can clear that what is Newton Raphson method. So let's start to solve it in C++ way. Okay, so you already know that what is Newton Raphson method. That implementations is C++ way. So I have already written total program. Okay, so hope you know all the code in here. Another way is, if you don't know that the meaning of the all code, you can I will explain it in my theoretical class. Okay, so little bit I give some idea that defining in here, define fx 3x cos x minus 1. This is my chosen function. You can choose any functions, okay, like 3x cos x, any function. So defining, it is the defining equation to be solved. Change this equation to solve another problem. Okay, next, defining derivative of gx. So fx f dash x. So what is the f dash x? F dash x is equal to 3 plus sin x. Okay, as derivative of x is equal to 1 and cos x, derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. So using namespace std, setting a precision and writing floating point values in fixed point notation. So in here I have written quote set precisions. Quote set precision means setting, this meaning is setting precision. Okay, precision, setting precision and writing writing point values in fixed point notation. Okay, so quote set precision 6 and fixed. Okay, next is input. What is my input? Input is enter, this is input. Okay, inputs, this is my inputs. Quote enter initial guess, enter tolerable error, and enter maximum iterations. Okay, you will see it in my terminal. Next is that you see that quote mathematical error. Okay, a quote exit input, and now I use the do while loop, that quote iteration step and etc. You will check this total that iteration step and and each syntax. Okay, syntax is very important, and x0 is equal to x1, and next step is equal to step plus 1, and if step then quote is not convergent and exit. Okay, so next we go that the FABs means absolute value less than e, and root is, and return 0, because I have already taken that int main. Okay, int main when I use, then I have to write return 0. Okay, so okay, no problem. Hope you check my every work. Okay, please view my every work. Yeah, and please pause and write everything. Okay, if you want, then you can write my all program. Okay, let's just start terminal. Okay, so you see that the result is ultimately one of the checking, is it is the one of the checking that I got iteration 1 and x is equal to 0.065. So friends, initial guess, suppose I give 22 and enter tolerable error. Okay, tolerable error is, suppose I write 0.001. Again I change and enter maximum iteration. Suppose I give 50. Okay, so let me check. So you see that my answer is coming same, 0.614514547. Okay, and fx is equal to iteration 1, it is also given. Okay, iteration 2, iteration 3, iteration 20 up to. So So I hope I can clear this total concept, and thanks for watching